don't see how the girlies missed this one. My husband just asked me, was that it? I was struggling, y'all. Shout out to all the girlies that sit down and do fashion and style videos, unboxings, because this was definitely a struggle for me. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Elle, and today we're going to dive into POLÈNE. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share on this video, and hit the bell notification so that you know when another video goes live. Girls, before we start, just know how I am struggling. It is so noisy outside. I live in New York. It's raining. The cars are... It's just heavy traffic. Just want to get through the video. So shout out to all you girlies who do sit down, unboxing, fashion videos, style videos. You are truly the GOAT. You are the GOAT. You are. So let's dive into it. My husband gifted me a POLÈNE bag. My first POLÈNE bag, actually. We usually do like a little grab bag, our names in a hat, and we choose. It's my husband, my two daughters, and my son-in-law, and we choose a name, and that's who we purchase gifts for Christmas. Mind you guys, my husband did not choose my name. It was my oldest daughter, but he took it upon himself to go to the POLÈNE store here in New York in Soho, and I'm going to insert some footage because honestly, I'm shocked that he actually took video, but I appreciate the content. And he waited on the line, he went inside, and he came back home with the bag, but it was concealed inside of a brown paper bag, so I didn't know what it was. I was just cooking in the kitchen and pretty much not paying it any mind. So he says to me, hey, did you get the video? And I'm like, what video? Because I'm not even near my phone, close to my phone, paying attention to it. And I said no. So he sends a video of him standing on the line at POLÈNE. This may be, I want to say, a week before Christmas. I said, what were you doing there? I said, well, who did you have? Because we're not supposed to tell who we had as Secret Santas. But he never said anything, and he was like, here. I decided not to open it. I actually waited until Christmas Day to open the gift. And when I opened it, I was so shocked that he actually listened, for one. And it's the color that I wanted. I was pretty pleased. So, this is the dust bag that it comes in. Just pretty basic branding. And this is the POLÈNE Numero NEUF number 9 in the regular, in the color chalk. It has POLÈNE written. It has POLÈNE written on the side, and it is lovely. I love this bag, girls. The design of it, it's different. It may not be for everyone, but I do love it. It fits my style perfectly. It also comes with a crossbody strap, which I have worn a crossbody, and I am 5'3", and I have it on the third closure, and it comes about my waist. Falls just to have that under my stomach, but you can adjust it to your comfortability. He did have it monogram, because you can monogram. I don't know if you can see it. You can get it monogrammed. Not all of their bags are monogrammable, but I'm glad this one was. It does have a snap closure, and it is a large bag. It has an inside zipper pocket to the back, and you can fit so much in this bag, ladies. Now, I've watched a couple of reviews, and people were complaining that to get in the bag was a bit, it was kind of a task. Now, I do have small It's New York. I told you I've been trying to get through this video for the longest. As I was saying, they were complaining that trying to get in and out of the bag was kind of an issue for them because the handle does not move as easily as they would like it. Now, I don't have a problem with it. Like, that's not a big of an issue for me. I actually don't have any issues with this bag. I'm glad that the closure is tight because, again, I live in New York. If you know, you know. And I'm able to fit so much in this bag here. Again, this is the regular POLÈNE NUMERO NEUF number 9. I can fit my vlogging camera, which is the Sony ZV-1 with the tripod attached, my makeup bag, my keys, my phone, that's the iPhone 14 Plus. I could just fit so much in here comfortably. It's not a struggle, and it's still room to get a full-size water bottle. Not the Stanley, ladies, not the Stanley. But yes, I absolutely love it. They have so many colors. They have this in black. This is like a grained leather. I don't know if you can tell if it's picking up on the camera, but it's a gorgeous bag. POLÈNE also has a lifetime warranty on their handbags. So if something was to go wrong that was not caused by you, they will either fix it or replace your bag with the new one. So we have to pause for the fire trucks. Actually, there's another luxury brand that uses POLÈNE's leather to make their bags. So don't sleep on POLÈNE. It's a great bag. I know they may be trending now, especially this bag, the Tonka, and there's another one. But yeah, now, as with anything, they have a dupe. Girls, I done found the dupe on Amazon, and I am going to link it below just in case you would like to try it out before you go and make the purchase. Now, when my husband purchased this bag back in December, it retailed, this is ridiculous. Now, when my husband purchased this bag back in December, it retailed for $470. POLÈNE did a price increase of about $140 to $160. So now this bag retails for $610, and it's March. The SA did say that they were going to do another increase. So ladies, if you want to get it now, I suggest you do so. If you're not too sure that this style is going to work for you, again, I'll link the dupes on Amazon below. It looks exactly the same. Yeah, but I love it. I absolutely love this bag. I have no complaints. It is a large bag again, but they do come in the mini, and then they have like this little micro bag. I haven't worn it just as a top handle as of yet, but I think I'll do so. But yeah, ladies, here's the NUMERO NEUF. This next bag is completely off the radar from POLÈNE. Let's get into it. Girls, I had went back to POLÈNE because I saw the bag actually on the website, and I said, I kind of like it. So I wanted to go and actually see it in person. So I went to the POLÈNE store to actually see it in person, get a feel of it, to make sure that this was a purchase I wanted to make. I'm so glad I went, ladies. I am so glad. This is the box it comes in. Ladies. Again, branded dust bag. This bag here. Oh, this is actually, ladies, I truly think you're gonna love it, and I'm so shocked that it's on no one's radar. I could not find a review here on YouTube about this handbag, and I am so glad. And it's actually the only bag at POLÈNE that's still the same price. the essay gave me the correct pronunciation of the name, and I'm still going to butcher it. This is the POLÈNE's Yake bag. It is black grained leather with the rattan both sides. It is a top handle, and she is gorgeous. I absolutely love her. Are you not picking up what I'm putting down, ladies? It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. She's definitely given vacation on a beach, going to dinner on someone's island. If you live in New York, she's given Hamptons in the summer, 4th of July, let's just stroll down the beach. She's gorgeous. There is a con with this bag, and it may not work well for most. I would have preferred if they gave it a little more thought. As far as closure, this is how it opens. It is just like a bucket bag. It opens, but there's nothing to keep it closed. See, you can just, it'll just stay open. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a game changer for a lot. The only thing that I would carry in here would be my phone, of course. My camera, I'm not too sure that it would fit comfortably with the tripod attached. No, now that I'm looking, no, it wouldn't. I would have to detach the tripod and just carry the camera in itself. But other than that, I love this bag. This bag retails for $390, and it is the only bag at POLÈNE that's still the same price. All the other bags have gone up in price, but this one has not, and I'm pretty sure it's because no one is looking to purchase this. It's not as trendy as the NUMERO NEUF and the Tonka bag, so everyone has overlooked this bag, which I'm quite glad they did because it works well for me. It has gold hardware, of course, POLÈNE written in gold. It is gorgeous. I wasn't able to find a dupe for this one, and I'm guessing because it's not as popular as the other POLÈNE bags, but this bag is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I thought it was just unique in style and design, and I absolutely love this bag. This is my new baby, and again, it fits well with my style, my lifestyle. I can see myself wearing this. You can actually dress this up or dress it down. Spring, summer, you wear a nice little dress. Excuse me, there's trucks going by again. This is unbelievable. I can't make it up. You can wear this with a dress, well, a wide leg trouser or jean, a great little sandal. Yeah, a nice white crisp shirt, because we love white shirts over here. And this is definitely a look, a great shade, a hat, and you are set. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, ladies. I haven't worn her yet, so I can't wait. I'm waiting for the weather to break and get nice, and possibly go on vacation. Have her around the town. I'll come back with a review on her and let you guys know how well she did. Also, did you guys know that POLÈNE has jewelry? They have jewelry, and they also have like a home collection. Here's their jewelry collection. You can visit the site to see more, but these are some of the pieces that they have. And I'm actually interested in a bracelet. They have a bracelet, I'll insert it here, that I'm eyeing, and I may get it because actually their jewelry is still the same price as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. And if you made it this far, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Will the POLÈNE numero 9 work for you in your style? What about the YK or YK? Welcome to all my new subscribers. Let's hit that 1,000 mark. Once I reach 1,000 subs, I am going to do a giveaway. But yes, please, thank you. Hit the bell notification so that you know when the next video goes live. And I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. Until next time, remember, life is not about what you're given, but what you create.